Some places on Earth look like they were created by artists, but these ones, they're real. Hidden across more than 7,000 islands, the Philippines is home to turquoise lakes, glowing lagoons, giant caves, and beaches so perfect they look unreal. Today, we're exploring 10 places in the Philippines you won't believe actually exist. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the world's most beautiful destinations.
Our journey begins in Coron, home to what many travelers call the cleanest lake in Asia. Kayangan Lake is surrounded by dramatic limestone cliffs that rise like ancient guardians above crystal clear water. But what makes it unbelievable is just how transparent the lake is. You can see rock formations meters below the surface, as if the water isn't even there. As you glide across the calm emerald water, the entire world feels silent. Sunlight flickers through the cliffs, and every direction looks like a screensaver come to life. No CGI, no filters, just nature at its finest.
Next, we travel to El Nido, where the Big Lagoon looks like a doorway into a forgotten world. Narrow channels open into a massive lagoon, surrounded by towering black limestone cliffs. The water glows turquoise and shifts color as the sun moves overhead. Paddling through the entrance feels like drifting into a prehistoric planet. It's peaceful, untouched, and unbelievably cinematic. No wonder filmmakers constantly choose El Nido as the backdrop for movies and documentaries. In the surfing island of Siargao, you'll find one of the most vibrant lagoons in the entire country, Sugba Lagoon. This place is stunning from every angle. Deep green mountains, still emerald water, and wooden platforms floating like tiny islands. But the part you won't believe is how alive the water looks. It changes color from jade to neon green depending on the weather. Add the dramatic cliffs, the peaceful silence, and the reflections in the water, and Sugba Lagoon becomes a masterpiece that almost looks painted. Some rivers look magical, but this one genuinely feels enchanted. The Hinatuan Enchanted River in Mindanao is famous for its deep royal blue color that seems to glow from within. Locals once believed spirits protected this place, and honestly, when you see it, you'll understand why. The water is unbelievably clear, and the river seems to appear from nowhere, flowing straight out of a deep underwater cave system. From above, it's a streak of sapphire cutting through the forest. It's so perfect, it feels unreal. It may be one of the most famous beaches in the world, but White Beach in Boracay still surprises first-time travelers. The sand is so fine and so white, it almost looks artificial, like powdered sugar stretched across 4 kilometers of coastline. The water glows a gentle gradient of turquoise and blue, creating that iconic tropical look that made Boracay world famous. During sunset, the whole beach turns orange and gold, like a painting changing in real time. Whether crowded or quiet, White Beach remains one of the most unbelievably beautiful beaches on the planet. In the island of Cebu, Kawasan Falls looks like something straight out of a fantasy film. Imagine this: bright turquoise water cascading into natural pools surrounded by lush jungle.
The color of the water is so pure and milky blue that travelers constantly ask if it's edited. But it's real, a mix of minerals, limestone, and sunlight. The falls drop into perfect swimming basins that feel refreshing even in the hottest months. And if you're into adventure, the canyoning route leading here takes you through gorges, jumps, and rivers that make the final view even more rewarding. More than 2,000 years ago, ancient Filipinos carved entire mountainsides into massive green staircases. Today, the Banaue rice terraces remain one of the most incredible landscapes not only in Asia, but in the world. From sunrise to sunset, the terraces glow with different shades of green and gold. They stretch across the mountains like giant waves of farmland. What's unbelievable is that these terraces were built by hand, without machines, and they're still in use today. This is living history, and it's breathtaking.
These hills are so strange and so unique that they look like something from another planet. The Chocolate Hills in Bohol form a symmetrical pattern of over 1,000 cone-shaped mounds rising from the ground. During the dry season, the grass covering them turns brown, giving them the appearance of giant chocolate drops, hence the name. From above, it feels like a landscape designed by nature's imagination. There is simply nothing else like it on Earth. Another surreal spot in Coron, Barracuda Lake. This lake is famous for one unbelievable feature. Its water changes temperature as you swim through it. Warm, then cold, then suddenly hot again. It's a layer of fresh water mixed with salt water from the sea, creating a rare natural phenomenon called thermocline. And visually, the place is stunning. Sharp limestone cliffs, empty blue water, and underwater rock formations that look like a hidden alien world. For the final place, the one many travelers can't believe exists, we return to El Nido, to a tiny paradise hidden behind massive limestone walls. To reach Secret Beach, you swim through a narrow opening at the base of a cliff. Once inside, you discover a completely enclosed lagoon with powdery white sand, bright turquoise water, and cliffs that rise like castle walls around you. It feels untouched, protected, and impossibly beautiful. Many say this spot inspired Alex Garland's famous novel, The Beach. Whether that's true or not, one thing is certain. Secret Beach is one of the most unreal destinations you'll ever see. These are just 10 of the countless places in the Philippines that look too perfect to be real. From emerald lagoons to living historical landscapes, this country is a paradise waiting to be explored. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cinematic travel videos. And tell me, which place amazed you the most? Until the next adventure, keep exploring.